Myself. I am a girl. My name is Priyanka Agarwal. I like my name. My father is an officer. His name is Mr. Kamal Agarwal. My mother's name is Mrs. Geeta Agarwal. My mother is a housewife. She works at home. She always tries to solve the problems of her neighbors. Sometimes she helps the poor people. They love me very much. I am 10 years old. I read in standard 7th. I am slim. I am healthy. My color is very fair. My hair is long. I have younger brother. His name is Sachin Agarwal. He reads in standard 5th. My grandmother is a religious lady. Her hair has turned white. Although she is old, she is very active. She leaves her bed early in the morning. After taking a bath, she goes to the nearby temple every day. My grandmother tells me fine stories. I go to school every morning. My school is near my house. I like going there. There I learn many things. My teachers are very good. They also love me very much. I have many friends. We all play together. They come to my house. I also go to them. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos.